Today we're reviewing the Gerber dime multi-tool. Let's get into it. Alright, so today I am reviewing the Gerber dime, but I have to open this package to get to it, and I'll explain why. So, about 5, 6, maybe 7 months ago, I unboxed the Gerber dime. And then I said, I'll do a review here of it in a few weeks, and I'll let you know what I think. Now, when I did that, I started the 2-week test period the day I opened it, and then I was going to let you know what I thought after 2 weeks. Well, it turned out that I started the test, I don't remember which day it was. Anyway, it was 2 weeks before Christmas Eve. And December 23, I was cutting something open, and my favorite tool out of all these tools, this little package opener here, I was trying to cut a zip tie, and the blade was too wide to get into it, and the pliers were too thick, and so I cut the zip tie with this, and I broke the back lock. Alright, so long story short, the multi-tool broke, as you saw there, real quick, and I was going to test out Gerber's warranty policy and ship it back to them and have them fix it or replace it. But by the time I got through insuring the package and shipping it with the weight it was and everything, it would have cost the same amount as if I just bought a whole new multi-tool. So I decided not to go that route. I decided I'd just make the review, but it's not as great as I hoped for. This multi-tool has 12 different functions. Number 1 here is a pair of spring-loaded pliers. Number 2, wire cutters. Number 3, fine edge knife blade. Number 4, and my personal favorite, retail package opener. This is really handy for all kinds of stuff. Number 5 here we have a pair of scissors. Always very handy. Number 6, we have a medium flathead screwdriver. Number 7, we have a fine file. Number 8, we have a coarse file. And of course, number 9 on the end of that file is a small flathead screwdriver. Number 10 is a lanyard ring. I don't really consider this a tool, but they do. Number 11 here, we have a set of tweezers. It's kind of like a small Swiss Army knife. It has the tweezers hidden in the side there. And then finally, for number 12 here, we have a bottle opener. This multi-tool comes in 4 colors that I'm currently aware of. $20 for the red one, like I have here. The black one is the cheapest one at $16.84, so almost $17. And then there is this green one, which I thought was kind of cool. It's about $19 or $20. And then we have this all purple model, black on purple, which actually looks really fascinating to me, and that one's $20 as well. Alright, so originally I was going to say that this multi-tool was really good and I liked it, but the more I've sat here editing and listening to myself say that, I realize that I'm kind of wrong, and since I want my my YouTube channel to be built on trust and honesty, I'm going to go ahead and say that this multi-tool is nowhere near the quality that it should be. The knives that I've finally gotten to the point in my life where I use my knives as tools and I beat them until they quit working on me. And honestly, for me, I think now that I think about it, a knife only lasting for 1 week and 6 days, if you really think about that, that is absurd and that is messed up. I mean, I've had a knife for 5 years. It's a Victorinox Swiss Army. And I use the thing every day, and I beat it, and I use it for things it's not even intended for. And it still is in one piece. There's no wiggle, the lock still works, everything's fine. So I'm just struggling. I think this would be a good multi-tool if it hadn't broke. But since it broke, I'm going to go ahead and say that you do not want to waste your money on this. Find another multi-tool that you like better and buy it, because it'll probably last you longer. That is it, guys. I hope you enjoyed the review. Thank you so much for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe to see more videos like this. And we'll see you on the next video.